Disclaimer, I might cough in the video. 50 subscribers. Actually 51. So, to all of you that have been sticking around since 10 subscribers, I hope you like my content, even though my voice is kind of weird and there's some interactions in the background like now. That's my little sister for if you're wondering. Now, I live in the Philippines, but Super Typhoon Pepito hasn't been a problem to us. Well, for some of us. But the people who live in Aurora, oh my God, they're almost dead. Earlier I saw the news. A big, gigantic wave hit northern Luzon. I live in southern Luzon. I'll never tell you where it's. And if you don't know where that is, then good for you, because I probably have a lot of guns in my storage. I'm lying. But don't tell them that. Anyways, 50 subscribers, 51. Candy Blocks Band 2s will release. And thank you everyone for getting UBBD 6 to 4,000 views. And also, I'd like 12,000 views total. It has been like 2 months since I got 3.6 thousand views. I got 9,000 more. This is literally gonna be more stressful, but this is gonna be the last video that I'm gonna post before the 50 subscriber special, because this is just an announcement of that video. Anyways, I'm doing my head like this because I like it. 50 subscribers. It has been 40 more subscribers after the release of the 10 subscribers special. We have gone so far, and my channel is only 1 year old. 1 year, 50 subscribers. So anyone, please subscribe, because my next goal is, well, we're 49 subscribers away from the goal. 51 plus 49, figure it out. I'm not gonna tell you. Anyways, if you all want me to get subscribed, because it's really easy, you just have to click the button if you want to, right? But first, before you watch this video, go and watch UBBD 6. I have been waiting. I sacrificed my voice for you, and I get 4,000. That is more than I expected. I only got 1,000. I wanted 1,000, 2,000. I got double. I think the longer I make my videos, the more views I get, because UBBD, I don't know how long it is, so I'm gonna make this video like 5 minutes to see how. Anyways, I wish you all good luck in the America, because 13% of my viewers are from America and some in Brazil, 3% in the Philippines. I live in this country, bro. Only 3 in the United States, plus 10, more than that. Does the USA love me? I don't know. So all of you Brazilians, Americans, Filipinos, I love you all, and I hope you get through the bad weathers like like Super Typhoon Pepito, which is in northern Luzon of the Philippines. I wish you all that you all survive, make it through. Hope you're all okay. And this is a decision of heart. After watching the news, Super Typhoon Pepito was really strong, and all of the people in Aurora, I hope they heal, hope they get their cities done again. I hope they stand as the great place of Aurora again. I love you all. Please subscribe. Actually, don't just like, comment, anything, or you can subscribe. UBBD 10. Gonna be revealed January 1.